baked avocado eggs. Great for breakfast or any time of the day. We're going to start this out with some bacon. Got the oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. I pop this bacon in for about 15 minutes or so. And you can see it's nice and crispy. It's a little hot, be careful. Set that aside, and now we'll take our avocados. Take your knife and just run it along the center of the avocado. Split it open, and then carefully remove the pit using your knife. If you're not comfortable, you could just use a spoon. We'll do the same thing for our other avocado, again being very careful. I'm going to keep the oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius to bake these avocados off. And we're just going to scoop out a little bit of the center here to make room for our egg. And we're going to save all this avocado that we're scooping out, of course. I really like this dish because it's so easy to make. It's a quick breakfast item or lunch or even a late night snack. And there's so many different flavor combinations and toppings that you could put on these baked avocado eggs. I'm going to finish scooping these out. I'm going to evenly lay these on a sheet tray. Keep them as level as best you can. I'm going to season them with a little bit of salt and just crack the eggs right into the avocado. Again, make sure they're level. So now with all our eggs in, I'm going to season 2 of the eggs. I'm going to top that with some cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. We'll bring back our crisped bacon and put that over one of the other seasoned eggs. And then we'll top that with the cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. So we got a bacon, egg, and cheese and an egg and cheese. We'll pop this in the oven 15 to 20 minutes or so. I'll show you how we finish these. And these are ready to go. The cheese is nice and melted. The eggs are cooked through. The yolk's still runny. I'm going to take that remaining avocado filling, hit it with some lemon juice, a little bit of pepper, pinch of salt, and a little bit of hot sauce. Just mash that up with a fork, get it all smooth. We'll season our other 2 eggs, a little bit of salt. We'll put pepper over all the eggs. And then we'll spoon over that mashed avocado mixture over one of our baked avocado eggs. And we'll leave the other one as is. Bring back our crisp bacon, put the rest of that right on the plate. And that's my baked avocado eggs. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.